new things today. Let's see how this goes. Okie dokie. Now we are ready, steady. Let's do this. What did I just say? Ready, steady, let's do this means let's. Oh my goodness. Means let's do this. Frick, frack, snick, snack. Well, everything appears to be working pretty decently. Let's have a look-see if it continues to work decently. So, update on yesterday. Yesterday was okay. No, yesterday was annoying, but it is what it is. We are going to try our best today. We're gonna try our best today. Let's see if we have got this or not. We must be a little bit more bold with the trades today. So yesterday was disappointing, to say the least. Why do I look like I have a green hue going on around me? A little bit better. My hair's doing weird and wonderful things today, so sorry about that. Yeah, it's better than nothing. Okay. Good. I want to just quickly see one thing. One itty bitty thing. Don't mind me, I've had 2 cups of coffee. 2 cups of coffee is maybe not the smartest thing to do, but here we are. This is number 2, by the way, before you think this is number 3. No, not number 3. Not yet. It's coming. No, it's not coming. Don't lie. Do not lie, Maya. That's rude. Okay, well, things appear to be working. Sorry, overnight we did like a revamp. So we are super duper cool right now. Well, as cool as someone can be that says super duper, because that was cringy. Anyways, let's see how everything is looking. There we go. Do that. Okay. We are good to go. How is the words? That's what coffee does. How is the quality? Oh my great. This is gonna be a very entertaining day. Damn. Hello. Quality. Yes. No. Maybe. Huh. Okay. Let's see what happens. Now we are 2 minutes away from opening, question mark. I actually don't know anymore if it is at 9 or if it's at 10. Yesterday there wasn't as much momentum as there was the day before at 10. It kind of stayed the same. So let us see now. There's no news today, I don't think. I'm actually not sure. Hello, people. How's it going? Are we ready for this? 1 minute to go. This is why I do not have 2 cups of coffee early in the morning. Because things are about to get weird. Well, I say that. Not that weird. I just talk rubbish. Hey, Cougar. How's it going? How is... Well, I was going to say how's the trading going, but I don't know if you've traded yet for the day. If you're just getting ready for the day. That's where I'm at, getting ready for the day. It's going to be great. I'm excited. I need to try and be a little bit more bold today. I must check the higher time frames as well to see. Yeah, okay, so we're getting ready together. Cougar, correct me if I'm wrong. New York Open is still at 9? No, that's not right. Well, it's 9 AM for me. Hasn't moved later, has it? Basically what I'm trying to ask. Oh. Oh my goodness, this is juicy right here. Damn, they're real juicy. Okay. There's a lot of equal... there's a lot of liquidity sitting around there. Thank you. There we go. 9:30. Awesome. Oh, hello! Hey, how's it going? Melvin, hi there. You from South Africa? Twinsies! Cougar, thank you for letting me know. Jubez. Oh my gosh, that's coffee. That's coffee for you. Jubez, I think you are on the vertical stream. So, I wasn't joking. I'm doing my bestest now. Got a few things open. I'm trying something new today, so bear with me if I look overwhelmed. Hi. Good morning, Pat. How you doing? Any apps? I don't know what you mean, but anyways. Pat, how's it going? How was the trading yesterday? Melvin, can you fall in love with me? I mean, if you really wanted to. Damn, Pat! What? Hey, Javier, welcome. Does it look more normal now? Pat, what the heck? That is amazing. Oh, wait. 3K up. I was about to like fall over and be like, hey, I think you can just retire and call it a day. Because what? That's crazy. Melvin, no, I do not. I do not have a boyfriend or a husband. Okay, so proper opening is at 9:30. Noted. Thank you for that, Cougar. I really appreciate that. Hey, Roger, how you doing? You're new. Welcome. Welcome. How is it going? How how big are your trades? I'm assuming massive. And do you trade 1 minute, or what time frame do you trade with? Roger from Germany? That is awesome. I mean, you can send me an email, I guess, Melvin. I don't know. Or a DM, I think. That's, yes. Sorry, I feel really old. I'm not good with the lingo. Okay, so predictions for today. What do we think is going to happen? Oh, wait. Hugo, I want to check the Asia high and low. Let me have a quick look. Because if it comes for that... Okay, so it's basically buy all of that freaking liquidity. So there's a lot going on up there. Awesome. And there's the low. Cool, cool stuff. Close, close. See guys, I'm learning. You guys really do help me so much. I don't think you guys actually understand how much I appreciate you guys. I know I've said you guys quite a bit. Sorry. Boom Banana, how you doing? Hey Void. Boom Banana, are you on the vertical one? You are. Oh, amazing. Okay. Welcome, welcome. Thank you. I really appreciate being blessed with the remaining 2% of luck and skill. I really appreciate it. Wait. So you're done trading. Does that mean you had a green day? Good question, Boom Banana. I have absolutely no idea. The perfect storm. Awkward storm. Nice. I'll go that your videos are pretty funny. Thanks. It's just my personality. I'm weird. Talking about awkward storms. Welcome. I am the said awkward storm. Right here. Because I'm not even gonna say I'm a hot mess. I'm just a mess. But that's okay. Okay, Cougar, so do you think it's going to come take all this liquidity and then melt down? Is that your predictions for today? Oh no. But then do I really want your 2%? Because it sounds like it's not a great 2%. Who doesn't like a hot mess? No, that's valid. Like nachos. Nachos are hot and messy. They were amazing. Oh, Cougar coming here with the facts. Okay, damn. You're right. You're right. Boom Banana, how do you swap over? I actually do not know. You do not like nachos? We're gonna have a fight. What do you not like about nachos? This is gonna be our first live stream fight right here. How old am I? Oh, everyone knows how old I am, so no, don't worry. I'm a bit of an open book. Boom Banana, you funny. Melvin, how old am I? I'm 27. Well, not yet. I'm 26. Okay. What is not to like about nachos? You got chips, you got mince, you got cheese. Cheese for days? I don't understand. I do not understand. Was it the messy part? Because then you just contradicted yourself. Careful. I should maybe focus on trading, shouldn't I? That might be a good idea, but let's first see if there's actually some decent movement. Okay, cheers, Melvin. Yep, probably. Hey, Pat. Cheese doesn't go on nachos. What nachos do you freaking have that does not have cheese? Maybe that's the problem. Maybe you're not having nachos, right? Oh, okay. Well. Boom Banana, you make no sense. Okay, let's have a look-see now. So, I have stuck. I know this theoretically isn't opening, because opening now. Thank you, Cougar. It's a 9:30, but I mean, we can still have a look-see. It's a little bit unpredictable. If I had gone here... well, it would have been there. Ah, oh, man! That would have been one. Poop. And I'm gonna miss this one now. Let's see if it's still just being a little bit volatile. Took a little bit of the liquidity, but it hasn't taken much. Oh, nope. Little tap. Nope, okay, cool. That one would have been a loss. Cool. Glad I missed that. Damn. Okay, let's maybe focus for 5 seconds. If I do not respond. Sorry. The perfect storm? It can ruin you the next day. That's pretty valid, with regards to nachos. Flip. Well. So it's not a, well, it's GAN, but basically, so it's super basic. Super basic. So I have explained this a little bit on some of the other streams, but I'm always happy to keep reminding myself, and telling you guys. So I made it super simple because I overcomplicated it a while ago and I just got myself confused, and then I was starting to do revenge trading because I'd missed some trades and I thought, ah, screw it, which is the wrong thing to do when you are trading. Never think, ah, screw it, and then that's just it. So million indicators. Yeah? What? Yes? No? So basically, I just kept it, well, I took it back a step to try and help my brain out a little bit. So I just use a GAN and I draw it from range, 50% entry. So like with this one, that would have worked. There we go. Here's 50% entry. So you follow the range up, mark there, taps in at 50%, goes up for a 2R win. Pat Hall, there is, if you're happy with email. Are you happy with that? Is that fine? The perfect storm? Yes, that is the problem. And that is what I was doing. I was revenge trading because I went into a, screw it, which is always the worst thing to do. Okay, cool. So yeah, Pat, it's just teachmytrading@gmail.com. Nice and sweet and simple. No dots and numbers and anything like that. Going to 64 level. 264. There we go. Yeah, come on, Boom Banana. Type properly. Damn. You think it's going all the way down to 264? Okay, sure. What's about to hit VWAP on ES? Well, actually, on ES and on NQ. Oh my gosh! Are they actually in sync for once? Take out Asia lows. Okay. The perfect storm, how long have you been trading for? If I may ask. Pat, it was teachmayatrading@gmail.com. Hey, Parveen, how you doing? How's it going? Sorry, I have coffee. It's a coffee morning. That's all I'm saying. It is one of those mornings. Okay, so let's have a look here. I don't think this would have gone high enough. Nope. So that one wouldn't have tagged in. This one might. Shoot. I'm gonna be too late. Might not. Okay. Today I'm trying to be brave. That sounds weird, but I am. I'm trying to be brave because yesterday I literally missed 8. Was it 8? It was 8. It was 8 winning trades. That stung. That was awful. That was the worst feeling in the world. So today I'm trying my best to be more brave thanks to... Oh, CI's not here today. Oh, Parveen, I'm good, thanks. I'm doing good. Like I said, it's a coffee day today, but I'm good. And I may or may not have already had a coffee. So, oh gosh, it's just running away now. Yeah, I may or may not have already had a coffee already. So this is going to be very entertaining. The perfect storm. Hey, Pip Hunter, how you doing? Perfect storm, 6 months now. Close, similar. I've been trading since April. So I'm just shy of you. How's it been going? Are you winning? I must admit, the emotional side of things, it's what I'm actually currently working on. Shoot. Okay. Emotional side. Okay. Might be a mistake. Oh, it might just keep going down. Nope, it's gonna just keep going down. Cool, 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 cool. Parveen, yes, I have quite a few tattoos. Well done, Perfect Storm. Yeah, I would be getting amazing profits if I stopped being a numpty like I was yesterday. Like I said, I missed 8 winning trades yesterday afternoon for New York. That was awful. Boom Banana, welcome back. So, Boom Banana, I don't know if you can now properly see, not really. Here we go. You can finally see the flowers. I missed the trades because it didn't go up high enough for my 50% entry. Oh, why did I miss the trades yesterday? Oh, that's because of emotions and because I was silly. You have a samurai cat tattoo, that's awesome. I mean, it's a bit difficult. The market was a lot faster. Oh gosh. It was, and this looks like it might actually be a little bit of a reversal, which is, you know, I did that yesterday and then I would close my trades and then it would have been winning trades. So that's why I'm trying really hard not to do anything now. And see. Dragon, no, how are you doing? Pavine, I can't really show you. I can show you like a tiny bit, but that's, yeah, I mean, the shirt makes it difficult to show what's going on. Dragon, also, where have you been? I've missed you. The perfect storm, sorry, I missed your message. There you are. Starting to see things more clear. What's your favorite thing to trade? Well, I've been enjoying the micros NQ. Listen, sometimes they are very unpredictable, but as a starting trader, I guess you can say that. As a noob trader, it's nice because you don't just blow your accounts almost every single trade. So it helps quite a bit. Oh, amazing. And how's it been going, Dragon? Or should I say my grandchild? I've missed you, grandson. Okay, well, we are in this. It might just shoot up and tag me out, but at least I took the trade. Yes, at least I took it. Well, I mean, kind of. I use my GAN. So it's not exactly fibs. No. No, just hands off. No, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. It's sitting on VWAP on ES now. Awesome. Damn, perfect storm. Well done. That's impressive. Well done. What strategy do you use? Just out of curiosity. You don't have to let me know if you don't want to. I get it. That's actually a good question. Am I religious? How do I put this? Yes and no. Oh, this looks like it wants to push up. Just hands off, Maya, honestly. You did this the other day. Why do I always get stuck in this no trading zone? It's fine. Yeah, like I said, yes and no. I'm not like hectic. But I'd leave? If that answers your question at all. Ah, you and your hmms. So I'm using a GAN. Yes, I did, because I was... How do I put this? Huh, perfect storm. Nice. Okay. I was overcomplicating it. Keeps you guessing. Thanks, Boom Banana. I appreciate that so much. You are like the markets, keeping me on my bloody toes. And just when I think I know things, it turns around and proves otherwise. Like it looks like it wants to do right now. Of course, I would get stuck in it barcoding. It's fine. Sorry, Praveen. I need to get... Huh. Okay, perfect storm. So you don't really have a... You just... Do you market buy? Do you market sell? Dragon. Strategy. Sorry. I overcomplicated it, so I started doubting every single trade, and then I would start revenge trading, or just using emotions, which, as we know, is a no-no. We do not do that in trading. And so I made a super basic strategy, but it was a 1-to-1. So this one at least is a 2R. Okay. Which helps. Quite a bit. to stop looking because I get excited and then it does the opposite of what I wanted to freaking do. Which I swear is the market's favorite game to do. To me. Anyways. But that's exactly. Risk management for the win. Damn it. But one-to-ones, just unless you have a ridiculously amazing strategy where you are winning, I think, what, like 70% of the trades, you're not really making profit. You lose more. Okay. I have no clue what direction this wants to go right now. Could always move this to break even because it looks like it wants to pump up again. No, win or lose, leave it alone. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at that. Perfect storm, thank you. Wow, interesting. I saw that, dragon. I saw what you said. Flip. Huh. Really? But are you in the green? No, there we go. See, that's awesome though. That is amazing. Still in the green is the way to go. No, hands off, hands off, hands off, hands off. It is about to be flipping market open. And I'm in this. Okay, well, let's see what happens. Thanks, Perfect Storm. I'm gonna definitely go and have a look at that. Let's see if I can see. So again, what do you do? So I'm having a look at something. What's going on? Anyways, so again, Perfect Storm. Do you just market buy or sell depending on the trend, or do you have a fib or a strategy, or yeah, what's your pick? Boom Banana, where you at? I could probably go break even now, hey? Oh, the spread might take me out. It did take the liquidity on ES. I don't know if I'm gonna regret doing that. I probably will. It is what it is. It is what it is. It was just being so quiet. Very weird. Very weird for you to be quiet, Boom Banana. Dragon, how's Token doing? Yes, it is Nasdaq. Oh, we are trading Nasdaq today, and again, I'm kind of in this in opening time, but it's fine. Oh, that's valid. That's fine. How is it looking for you today? should take out that low. I hope so. It did take the low on ES, so I'm hoping it continues to go a little bit further down. Flip, it would help if I actually marked the damn liquidity on ES as well. Hey. Raven prop room. I'm with a prop room. So price will most likely fill out those gaps. Damn, Boom Banana! Look at you go! Freaking cool kid. Oh no. Well, okay, let me not say oh no just yet. But oh no seems to be accurate. Cheese and sprinkles. No, this is why I need to just not look, because then I get... Oh, nice, okay. So either way, you are good to go. Basically, Boom Banana. Oh, thank you! Raven, which prop firm am I with? German PMI down. Oh, okay. Him. Which prop firm is that? I'm with Tradify, sorry. Damn, okay. Break even. Well, can't be upset with a break even. Watch it melt now, just because, you know, life. And the markets do have spies everywhere, I'm convinced, and they think it's funny. If it goes to my TP now, I will feel a little bit like a chop, but it kind of looks... Oh, there was quite a bit of momentum on here, so maybe not. And just mark these. Help myself out a tiny bit. Oh, some equal highs up here as well. Nice. A little bit of one there. And one there. I have to mark things properly a little bit later. Like I said, I ran out of time today. Hence the coffee. Hey Keegan, I'm with Tradify. Oh, interesting. Funding ticks. I'll have a look. Apparently, well, Raven says it supports South Africa, so that's awesome. Because I know a lot don't. Because I've heard really good things about Top Step, and Diamante, he's not here now, but Diamante says that Lucid is really good. Ah. I know exactly what you're saying. I'm not going to say it back because I know I'm going to butcher it, and that's not great. Sorry. Which part is interesting? Boom Banana, you have to stop saying interesting like that. Make me nervous. Shoot. Oh no, okay, it would have tagged me out. Cool. Not shoot anymore. 50k. Yeah, I know. It's sad. I know Top Step, Lucid, all those don't, which sucks. But interesting about by funding ticks. So I'm gonna have a look at that because that'll be interesting. Okay. Back to focusing. Now that this trade is out, it is a break even, better than a loss, and at least I took it, right? Yes, I have to just keep reminding myself about that because that's what I was being a bit of a chop with yesterday, which was sucky. Why? Goat funded trader. Interesting. See, I keep learning about these new things. Why, Kuka? Just out of curiosity. Let me know. I love hearing you guys' opinions. That's why I have this. If I didn't want to hear you guys out, I would not be... I don't know, I would close my chat. I just wouldn't be streaming. So wait, let me make little notes. Pat, no, unfortunately it was a break even. So better than nothing, right? Goat funded trader, not goat trader. That. Oh, here's the climb. Thank heavens I went to break even, because now it would have been a loss. Cool. So both ways would have been a loss just by a tick, so that sucks. And the other one was funding ticks. Okay, so break even trade, better than a loss. Glad I took it, but now is this a little bit of a fake out before it actually goes down? Or is it aiming for the Asia highs? Okay. I kind of expected more momentum from opening, but oh well. It has kind of... no, let's have a look and see if it actually breaks structure properly. How long have I been live trading? Well, I've been trading since April, so I'm still quite a baby, which is why I appreciate you guys' help wherever. Okay. Let's see if this was a fake out or if this was a legitimate little bit of break of structure. However, it is not yet a break of structure on ES. Okay. What do you guys think? Do you think it's going up to grab Asia high? Perfect Storm, that's very interesting. Perfect Storm, where are you from, by the way? Yeah, that's why I have the spread open here. I'm sure you can see it. It just gives me a little bit of an idea of what we're looking at. But don't believe me, I've had it a few times where the spreads have screwed me. And they've screwed me real bad. Oh, cool! Nice! So you, yeah, nice. South African buddies unite! Just kidding, I love all of you guys. I love meeting everyone from different areas of the world. It's so cool. You learn so much. We're having a very intense conversation about South Africa yesterday. Yeah. Oh, amazing. Nice, Raven. That's awesome. Let's see, it is holding. Basically, to answer your question, why not sell at 08? I'm waiting to see if we have a break of structure to work with my strategy. If we do, then awesome. I'm just not convinced that we do. Here we go. Let's see if it pushes up. If it pushes up, then we might have something for a buy. Because, I mean, we did have this higher low here. And a higher high, but it could have been a fake out. I've been caught in those way too many times. I also hate it when it decides to consolidate. It makes me question everything. Sure, there's so much liquidity sitting by the Asia high. Okay, we pushing or melting? What's it gonna be? Also, Boom Banana, are you still in this, by the way? Or were you taken out? Raven, kind of. I use some of the concepts, like the fair value gaps. So I use the indicators with regards to ICT, but I don't exactly do ICT, if that makes sense. Did it not break yesterday? Yesterday we finally broke out with that ridiculous freaking melt. Yesterday New York was awesome. No, Boom Banana, I'm sorry, it's okay. We're break even buddies now. Yeah, well done. That's still really good. Oh, awesome. Green is green. That's what I have to keep telling myself sometimes. Green is green. Let's see if we keep heading in this direction. It really is respecting this fair value gap up here, which is very interesting. So we're gonna break through it. Thoughts? Who thinks what's gonna happen? I'm gonna cross my legs. Bad idea because my knee is buggered, but we're going with it. Hey Brian, am I buying or selling Nasdaq? I am waiting to see if a structure forms, so neither right now. And that's a buy, don't sell. See, it's so interesting. Let's check the 5 minute. Okay, let's show a higher time frame. Oh, there we go. I see, tapped into a little order block. Went up, but it hasn't broken any highs yet. Lim Curse, how's it going? How you doing? Why am I using one time frame? Because I trade with the 1 minutes. I do go back and forth between higher time frames and lower time frames. I have my ES open on that side to see which way it's headed. And this is why I sometimes wait to look. It kind of looks like it's headed for the VWAP a little bit. Oh, interesting. Yeah, we good, Limcurse. How you doing? Are you ready for today's sessions? Well, I'm waiting to see if we do actually have a little bit more of a push up, because then you are correct. We will have some decent, or if it just completely melts down. There we go. Right, patience is key. It's what I've been working on. Patience, patience, patience. Just a lot of patience. Don't just jump into it. Wait for something decent. Hi! New subscriber, welcome! I wasn't joking. I was very busy yesterday after live, revamping something. So, like I said, if I'm a little bit overwhelmed today, bear with me. I'm sorry. Hey, Dream Machine Drives. Cool name. Kato, do I always trade NQ at this time? Yes, I do. This time and New York opening. So South Africa time, that's 3:30 p.m. New York time, 9:30 a.m. Don't ask me all the other times, but I know those ones for a fact. Okay, a little bit of a drop. I kind of wanted to get out of this chop before I do another trade. That's what I'm waiting for, if anyone was curious, because this chop can screw me, even if it was a potentially fine trade. That one may have just missed tagging me in. That one definitely missed tagging me in. With regards to this... Sitting around that spot, which is not ideal. Wait, no, where? Cool, that one would have definitely been a loss. I know, I do not know what happened. I think TradingView just had a bit of a meltdown. Hey, Boom Banana, it's... I guess fine. I guess you could say it's going fine. No decent entries or market structure for me yet. So I'm waiting for it to kind of get out of the chop. Are you done for the day, Boom Banana? How's it going? Oh, nice. Well done for winning on the NQ. Oh, nice. Okay, so you're officially done for the day. Aren't you just too cool for school? Damn. Look at you go. Huh. This one would have been good. Damn it. Well, I say damn it. I don't know if I would have left it open for that long. Let's see if it would have been a proper win, but maybe I should start looking at something like these. Just open it, it's a little bit higher, and just let it do its thing. Cool, that one would have been a decent win. That one would have... Oh! Would have also, very scary. Don't get me wrong. Would have been a decent win. Okay, cool. So we have a little bit of a more proper break of structure, which is awesome. Okay, now we can start looking for something a little bit more decent. There's a little bit of an order block coming up. I wonder, let's see. See if it bounces off of it and comes to tag me in. Damn it. Hurry up. Nope, that was wrong. If I do not respond to you guys, sorry. Just sorting out my order. Okay. 19 is decent. That little tap up is a little bit nerve-wracking, but we are going with the trend. Might just go all the way up. I don't think it's missing time on the chart. I think it just had a little mini meltdown. Oh, it is missing time, you're right. 13. Okay. That was a very big drop. Okay. And it missed tagging me in. Ooh, it's respecting this fair value. It's respecting that hectically. Oh, it missed me! Well, that sucks. So, plus side would have been a win if it hadn't have missed me by a freaking tick. You freaking kidding me? I'm keeping it PG-13 because, oh my gosh. That, okay. Boom Banana, you're gonna wait for New York? Awesome. That sucked. Oh, interesting, okay. The perfect storm, the price gap, yes. I see it. Well, that was a huge spike, and what happened now that we actually have some decent momentum? Shoot, should I have left it open? No, that little spike up makes me a little bit nervous. Tapped right into that order block. Sorry if I'm not responding, I'm just focusing on the charts for a second. You think so? Highest wick, it'll stop there and sell. Huh. Let's have a look, okay. No, don't worry, I do. I trade New York. I trade both. I do London and New York. That's, yeah. So you'll see me back here at 3:30 p.m. South Africa time. Don't worry, I'm here. After you're done, refresh your charts and see if they come back. It's okay if it does not, you have serious issue that could cost you money. Listen, TradingView does this sometimes. It's not missing on, is it? No, it's not missing here. What time was it? Oh, it is missing. No, it's not. No, not missing there. What time was this? 9:13. No, it's not missing on ES. But listen, it has screwed me in the past before. I had a winning trade, but it had a moment and it just jumped and didn't tag me in. That was the most frustrating thing that has ever happened to me. Interesting. I wonder why. Nice, Cougar. Well, I'm glad you got in yesterday. So it was super green, I take it. I'm getting data from TV. Ron, I am trading with a prop firm. Open a new tab and search currency meter. Why? Are you serious? Ron, I am with Tradeify. Ah, Limkers, you are on vertical stream, I think that's why. I don't know how to go to normal, don't ask me that one. But like I said, I did some revamping yesterday. A little bit of revamping. So that's why it looks a little bit different today. Thanks, Cougar. Yeah, I'll see you in New York. Have a great one. Fingers crossed. Let's see what New York looks like. I think it's going to be a really decent day. I'm quite excited. And Ron, which one? I did answer that, I think. I'm with Tradeify. Sorry. Limcurse, how's your session? Wait, you said you started trading this. Any trades? How does it look for you? Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to exit the chop. Get out of the chop. Boom Banana, I wanted to. It missed me on this one, which sucked. It would have been a winning trade. What time is it? Yeah, so I'm gonna stay on for at least another half an hour. See if anything comes up. If nothing comes up, I'll then just call it a day and I'll be back for New York. And we will give New York a shot. At least I tried. Well, you know what? At least I placed 2 trades today. And I wasn't a chicken like I was yesterday. So we are starting off better than yesterday. We're getting there. The mental part of trading is brutal. Do we think we're finally getting out of this chop now? No, not really. I hate it when it does this. Oh, interesting. Thanks, Pat. Boom Banana, don't do I hate it when you do that. Well, Yanni, you think so? That sounds look promising, even though the FPG is violated. Oh, interesting. You think so? Aw, okay. Bye. Have sweet dreams. See you later. Cheers, Boom Banana. I mean, the spike here makes me want to think it's going to sell. However, if we go market structure right now, it has not broken any lows. I mean, the momentum going down now is pretty decent. Oh, it's jumping off a VWAP on ES. Cool, 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 cool. Oh, I think it actually might sell. Ivan, thanks for the subscription. My leg. There we go. Market's gonna chop till New York session. Oh, okay. Well then no trade. Like I said, I'm still gonna stick around just in case. You never know. Well, you kind of know, but you never know. Just still gonna stick around until at least 10:30 a.m. my time. So another 30 minutes. Yeah, another 30 minutes. But if it just stays choppy, then no trade for London, and hopefully New York looks amazing, and then we can trade New York. That'll be awesome. Okay, I'm super curious. GBK, you mentioned something. Let's see. We're getting there. Okay. That is frustrating. No, not that one. That's not what I wanted. This. Oh! That is terrifying. That, well, maybe not. My leg. My leg. Okay. So that would not have been... I mean, that would have been terrifying. That would have been absolutely terrifying. If it's just gonna chop, then it's not worth putting any trades in all honesty. And that's fine. But anyways, how is anyone else in a trade right now? How does everyone's trading day look so far? Or is everyone kind of waiting for New York? Just a guy? You are correct, I am South African. Where are you from? No! What happened? Why is it bad for you? Sorry, if I'm bouncing a little bit, it's because I've had way too much coffee. And that's fine. Hey, just a guy? Awesome! So the first thing that came into my head when I saw that was, I'm just a guy standing in front of a girl asking her. I don't know how the rest of that goes, to be honest, but... Oh no, I'm sorry. You still think it's gonna drop hard? Well, I mean, there's one way to find out. Let's see, it kind of looks like it does. It still hasn't really broken... Oh, wait. I may have spoken too soon. Still looks like it might break properly. No trades for me till New York. Yeah, like I said, if... Pat, how do I work out my sizes? I use range. I use the range. And I go from there. And I always have it that my loss will be around $200. If that was also what you were asking. So that would then obviously determine how many contracts. So how long have I been trading for? I've been trading since April, so I am still a baby, which is, like I said, why I really appreciate all you guys because it's really helpful to get a bunch of information from like-minded people with the same interests. Oh good, I'm glad I'm glad. I'm glad I could make sense for once. It helps. Sometimes I do not. That's fine, don't worry, Pat. You do you. I understand exactly what you're saying. Spelling does not have to be perfect. I can't even speak properly. So, it's fine. So I am with Tradeify, just a guy, and they've been pretty decent. Yeah, no complaints from my side. Woo! Who said it was gonna sell? You look like you may have been correct, because damn, that was intense. Oh, no, back to being potentially choppy. Never mind. Thanks. But yeah, I use Tradeify. 4-hour time frame shows resistance. Listen, this just shows freaking resistance everywhere. No! Was I wrong? Was this potentially a decent freaking trade? Ah! Damn it! Shoot. Let's have a look, see if this would have been a win. It broke on ES. That's my bad. I should have maybe been looking on ES. ES did break the highs. That little tap down to take that. Okay. Shoot. Sour cream and cookies. I'm really trying so hard to be PG-13 right now. I did? Well, you were, well, let's see. Potentially correct. It's still chopping. Like I said, if it carries on chopping, most likely no trades, just because this is terrifying. Keep going. Trading will literally set you free. Thank you. Just a guy, how long have you been trading for? And how did I start? What course did I do? So I actually have a little bit of a coach, and he helped me. Sorry, this pillow is just so uncomfortable today. He helped me get started. Yeah. Damn, 5 years, nice. You still see resistance hard. Okay. Let's have a look, see if it continues to be like this. Or if we're gonna up. Nothing worse than knowing you could have gotten into a pretty decent freaking trade. And now the annoying thing is it's gonna go up, it's gonna take this, and then I'm gonna start doubting if it's gonna go up further to take that Asia high. See, I know my brain, I know the doubts that it has, and it's so frustrating because I know I should not doubt things. There is hectic resistance, you're correct. Damn, someone's really not wanting this to be a buy. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna be right back, my dog's bugging me. Give me 2 seconds. The key is to manage greed and not be fearful. I know, I'm trying. Listen, so yesterday was the most frustrating day. I missed, I counted it, 8 winning trades. Do you know how annoying that is? Just because I was doubting everything. So at least today I have taken a trade, even though I was a little bit nervous. I still took it. I did miss some of these, but to be fair, I don't like the chop. The chop scares me, so it is what it is. Okay, let me sort out my dog. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back, guys. Hi, I'm back. Oh, flip. How's it going? Did I miss anything good? Not really. There's that resistance, eh? But I am back. Let me not say like a heart attack, because that's bad. We don't say that. Damn, there's that sell. Nicely done. Nicely predicted. That was awesome. Well, let's see if it continues. Maybe not. Has not broken. Kind of broke. Hasn't broken properly on ES. Oh, there we go. I eat my words. Sure. Clearly the seller won. Hey Dominique, how's it going? Boom banana! Couldn't sleep. Miss me too much. Oh, okay, I'm in that. Oh, you have a cat? What's your cat's name? Okay, here we go. We're finally out of the freaking trop. What about gold? Dominique, what about gold? I am good. I'm good. I'm good. Let's see if we finally get something because of this. Damn. 100. Cersei. Sorry. Absolutely. Right, you kind of gotta love trading to be doing this because it can be a killer. Let's see. I don't know if this is the wisest, but hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. No, 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 no. Damn it. Yes. I mean, this is a massive freaking thing. This might be a mistake. Nope, but do not miss potential winning trades because you're being a chicken, like I did yesterday. I am... So, number one, Boom Banana. Cersei is amazing. I love it. My dog's name is Periwinkle. And he is awesome. He's huge, though. He nearly weighs as much as I do. Of course, Boom Banana. Obviously. Hey, Market Chaser, how you doing? So, Dominique, I'm currently trading NQ, but micros. So, MNQ, if you want. Just a guy, real question, not to pry. Absolutely not. No. So the strategy I'm doing is actually fairly new. And it's because of that reason. And I would have been amazingly profitable if I wasn't a freaking chicken like I was yesterday. No, I'm very salty about yesterday. It's fine. I'll get over it eventually, but today's not the day. But I'm hoping with this new strategy that I become more profitable. That's scaring me a little bit. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, I hope this wasn't just a fake out. It may have just been a fake out, but at least I took the trade. At least I took the trade. Because that was yesterday's problem. I would set it up, I would doubt things, I didn't take the trade. And then, yeah, it would suck. Boom Banana, your cat is a tabby. That is amazing. My dog is a rescue. He's a mix of everything. But yeah, like I said, he's huge. And he looks very scary, but he is not. He's just a big freaking teddy bear. What strategy? So, I took it down a notch. No. No, just leave it alone. Just leave it alone. So I took it down a notch because I made it too complicated, and then I was getting all up in my head and I wasn't taking trades, or like I said, I would then start doing revenge trades because I was being a fool, lack of a better word. No, I'm getting excited. Stop getting excited. The markets can see when you get excited. I'm convinced. They know. They know when you start to get yay. Anyways. So I had a strategy that was just way too complicated, and like I said, I would make stupid mistakes, like I was blowing accounts because then I started hopping in too soon. Well, not hopping in. No, hopping in too soon. I was making it way too complicated and making silly mistakes, then revenge trading because of the silly mistakes. It was just a disaster. So I simplified it a lot. Hey, Invest IQ, how's it going? Yo. So I simplified it, made it stupid simple. It was a 1-to-1 R. I'm gonna go break even just because it's past the 50% range. Okay. Don't get excited. Don't get excited. So it was a 1-to-1 R, which obviously you need a very high win rate with 1-to-1 R. And I was finding as soon as I would make a profit, I would then make a mistake and then lose all of it in one go, which really sucked. So now it's a 2R strategy. I just use range. At 50% is entry, around 30% is stop loss, and all the way down to 2R. Sorry, that was a very long-winded explanation. I hope that made kind of sense. I'm so sorry. Like I said, stupid simple, but it's doing what it's gotta do, so I can't complain. See, I got excited, and it knows. It knows when you get excited. We really have to make a song for all the markets, like a Santa Claus song. Oh, thank you. It's quick protecting. Let's pull that. I mean, it's a GAN, but I guess. Well, let's see, Limcurse. Thank you. I appreciate that. That makes me feel good. Thank you. I'm hoping it goes down a little bit more. It's sitting on VWAP on ES. It's literally sitting there. I can see it. It has not freaking moved. Oh my gosh. Yes, okay. Woo, okay. We're in the green. Sorry, that was way too overexcited, but we got there. Yay! Okay. Oh, that was awesome. That is what I have been waiting for. We are winning. Heck yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, interesting. Okay. So let me quickly mark this, guys. Okay, that was amazing. Where are you? Who said it was gonna sell? You were spot on. Well done. That was awesome. Okay. I might be done for London, to be fair. I might. Thank you. I appreciate that. Ah, thanks, guys. That was a goodie. That's what I've been waiting for. And you see, I wasn't a chicken, and I did it. Yes, you did. Well done. You did. You were spot on. Well done. That was awesome. Thank you. Sorry, could I explain more about my strategy? How I use the tool. Hat. I have, like I said, wait a second. we go. Who was that? Didn't Boom? No. Was it Cougar? No. What did they see to short it? There was resistance up here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, maybe explain. How did you know there was a short? Sorry, Pat is asking. He wants to know how you knew that there would be a short. Hey, Boom Banana, what's up? What? What are you wanting? Yes, yesterday I was a proper chicken. 100%. I'm not going to deny that. Thank you. Which prop? I am with Tradeify. So strategy, I have just a GAN and I do range. So top of the range, bottom of the range. New subscriber, thanks. Top of the range, bottom of the range, 50% entry. Limcurse, I know. No, not Limcurse. Who mentioned? Yeah, it was Limcurse. We'll get there. We'll get there. One step at a time. But top of range, bottom of the range, 50% entry, 30% is stop loss, and down to 2R. Oh, thanks, Pat. Yeah, guys, if you don't mind just smashing that like button for me, that would be awesome. Thank you. Boom Banana, why did you say what? Because you missed my awesome winning trade. Okay, here we go. Out of curiosity. Huh. Hello. Then why are you saying what? Boom Banana, you're making me scared. What's up? Hi Simpyware, how are you doing? Yes, it is. You do the pullback so that you enter in a more discounted range? Yeah? Boom Banana, that's so helpful. Thank you. I appreciate it. Hey Sia, how you doing? That's awesome. How are your guys' trading days looking? So I'm now in a good mood. I feel better. Ooh, I'm also grateful that I did not take that damn. Cool, I see we are a little bit volatile right now. That's cool, that's cool. I'm working on that. I'm working on letting you guys see all the comments. One thing at a time. Sorry about that. Oh, nice, nice, nice. See, yeah, it's going good. I'm in a good mood. Boom Banana, I cannot believe you forgot. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed, okay? Hey guys, oh my gosh. It's such an exciting stream. I'm so chuffed right now. Because I want to leave London on a green day. Yeah, Boom Banana, I went there. Okay, that one definitely would have been a loss. I do want to leave London on a green day, so I'm not going to put another trade in. I'm not going to put another trade in. I'm going to wait until New York. So I am back New York session. 3:30 p.m. for... Oopsie. Drop my little thing. 3:30 p.m. for South Africa time. 9:30 a.m. New York time. I am back. I do want to leave it on green. So like I said, I'm not going to put another trade in today. Well, now. New York time. Watch out. It's going to be great. I'm excited now. I'm trying my best to be a little bit more bold. Take the trade. Yes, take the trade. Thank you. Thanks, Invest IQ. I appreciate that. Oh, interesting. Huh. New York open time. New York stop time. There's a difference. Huh. So I do the opening. Yes, exactly. Guys, listen. Boom Banana, all we've been through, and here you are forgetting what you wanted to tell me. I'm offended. No, I'm joking. Am I? No, I am. Thanks, guys. Yes. So I'm still on for 4 more minutes. What do we think's going to happen? Let me have a quick look where... So Asia High is up there. It now appears... It did not close now. Okay, it appears it wants to stay bearish. Do we think it's going to stay bearish throughout the day? Sorry, I'm sorry, Boom Banana. Just... Okay? Our little secret, it's fine. It's fine. Boom Banana is just one. Just one of the viewers. We talk rubbish. Yeah, this, well, I like to think, I could be wrong, you guys can tell me if I'm wrong, I like to think this is quite a fun stream. Like, there's a lot of jokes and banter and chit-chat that goes on. Obviously, we focus on trades, but in between, it's actually quite fun. I must say, I really, really love this community. It's a bunch of like-minded, fun people, which I think is amazing. So you have fun while trading, because I know trading can, not always, but can be boring sometimes. Like the days where it's just choppy, like earlier, where it was just that chop. And it was just, it can be boring. I mean, today's quite exciting, not gonna lie, but it's nice to have fun while trading. They were asking who you were, Boom Banana. Bye, Lim Curse. Hopefully I'll see you in New York. Good luck for the rest of the trading session. Oh, guys, look. Oh, no. You have to say hi. There we go. Hello. Hello. Thanks. Yeah, they got a kiss. Thanks, Lim Curse. Enjoy. Oh. Wait a second. You're off on vacation. 30 days of relaxation in Madagascar and Dubai. Lim Curse, I am so jealous right now. Oh. Trade Together, you're thinking of buying. Also, hi Trade Together, how you doing? Oh, thanks guys. Thanks for the 2 new subs. Look, lots of, oh, 3, damn. Oh my gosh, okay. Just a guy, I like that. As a trader, you have to be good at doing nothing sometimes. Trade Together, how was your day yesterday? Was it decent? Invest IQ, another pullback. So do you think it's gonna stay bearish and this is a fake out, or do you think it's actually gonna go properly for the highs now? Nope. I think it's still just a little bit of a fake out. Anyways. Thank you! Hey, Yuri? Am I saying that right? Yes, I stream both London and New York every day. It's awesome. Oh gosh, Adrian. Yep. It's lots of fun to sit and wait. No. Okay, so do you want it to break up or down? Ooh. Yuri, I'm from South Africa. I am South African. So, I'm gonna have a look at seeing if I can get chats on live so you guys can see what's going on. Because is it a bit confusing? I'm sure it's confusing for you guys where I'm speaking to different people and you don't know who I'm responding to, so I apologize about that. Oh, nice. Okay. What's my time frame? My time frame is 1 minute. Yeah. Shift. Interesting question. How much can I afford to lose psychologically one day? So I normally do 3 losses done. So what's that? 2 for $600. And then I would stop it there. Oh no, I'm sorry. Is it having moments? Sorry about that, Bruce. Yeah, sorry about that. Sure. Okay, you guys are like keeping me entertained now, and I was busy saying how I might call it, and now I'm like, I'm invested in these conversations. The perfect storm using ChatGPT. Nice. Bruce, my time frame is 1 minute. Sorry. I hope you got that now. Is it breaking up for everyone else, or is it okay? How's the quality? Is it fine? Like I said, I'm trying something new today, so if the quality is not okay, I can stop. You can't see the chart in the background. Really? Anyone else struggling? You're welcome. Oh my goodness. Wow. There we go. I do not know. Good question. Damn. Sorry, I'm getting like spammed right now. I'm like, oh my god. a little bit overwhelmed, but that's, I guess it's a good feeling to have, rather a little bit overwhelmed than a little bit bored, right? Okay, what I am going to do, what I think I need to do, I might call it here for today. Sorry, guys. I might call it here for today. Just because... But interesting. You like to risk 150. Invest IQ. Cheers, cheers! Lots of love. Yeah, I'm going to. I like that. Nice. Oh, Lazy, you're on the vertical stream. That's why. Yes, I do have a normal one as well, if that helps. I do have both. I think that's what you are seeing. Yuri, I flipping hope so. I really hope it's a better market. Well, no, yesterday was so good. Like I said, yesterday I missed 8 winning trades. Do you know how awful that feeling is? Thanks, CB Always. I appreciate that. The perfect storm and just a guy. You guys are like a fast bird. This is awesome. Yeah, no, we've gone back to being a little bit chip choppy, so that's not ideal. So, okay, like I said, sorry, I keep getting distracted. I'm gonna go. I will see you guys back here for New York Open. Yes, New York Open. Are you guys ready? Set. Let's do this. Yeah. No, 100% Jerry. But New York Open was at 3:30 p.m. South Africa time, 9:30 a.m. New York time. My name, oh gosh, I can see this is headed in a bad direction, but no, my name is not Barbie. Okay, but I'm calling it. I'll see you guys later. Have an amazing rest of your day / evening / night, wherever you guys are. And I'll see you guys for New York. Love you, bye. And, oh, up there.